印度最早的太空梦始于60年前这一辆载着火箭零件的脚踏车。但你以为从脚踏车到登月已经是传奇了吗？让印度人非常自豪的是，他们这一次成功的登月计划，总预算7400万美金。这个数字一出，被说是世界创举。因为我们来看到啊，这个美国太空总署 NASA 在2025年的 Artemis 月球计划，到目前为止，他们的总预算可是高达930亿美金。2013年太空主题电影《星际效应》拍摄预算1.65亿美金，可以供印度登月2次。
The Indian government research program, ISRO has delivered multiple deep space missions to Moon and Mars at a very cost-effective way, and even our Mars mission is well known to be said as it's been executed at a price at a fraction of a Hollywood movie. So that cost efficiency is innately there in Indian ecosystem, Indian manufacturing ecosystem, and that naturally translates to the private industry once we initiate any such space endeavors also.
比拍好莱坞电影还便宜的登月，世界第一的 CP 值成了印度产学界的骄傲口号，更让印度太空系变得热门起来。
This is my Space Institute of MIT, where I am heading the department, and we have large number of faculty experts on space sciences. My institute, like a couple of works, my people have done it.
来到印度工程界著名的贵族大学 Amity 系办墙上挂着的火箭发展史，正是工程学院为印度太空发展贡献出的几代人才。
Here it is solar low energy X-ray spectrometer, and then we have Helios, which is high energy L1 orbiting X-ray spectrometer. These four are remote sensing payloads.
女学生被点到领衔展示刚做好的卫星模型，服役中的通讯卫星等比缩小，该有的原理跟运作了若指掌。
The scientists, they came out with an idea that we can use a filtering technique.
一双双渴求知识的眼神，都是这群工程系学生毕业后前进太空领域的入场券。
We send our students for the NASA competition. Twice we have won the competition. Once we designed a system of moon rover, and we got the first prize in that of the design with the safety. And second time we won the entire safety award of the system. So you see what happens when they come back. Their thinking horizon is widened. And then they can really take on difficult problems. We have large number of industries which has come up. Our students who choose the special branch of space science, has already made up their mind that they want to become a difficult and a space scientist.
印度特殊的太空产业私有化，让技术不再只限于国家专享。学生除了毕业及就业，只要有能力，创业不是梦。
Students are building satellite today. So that is the horizontal capability build-up which the country is doing today. Because there are so many startups and so many people who can even launch, they can do independently, not only from ISRO, but because we will need a large number of satellites to be launched. Many countries are coming to India to launch because of the reliability and cost effectiveness of our launch vehicle. So we will be able to also, we need that capacity. It cannot be only ISRO government doing. So we are horizontally spreading the capacity and capability.
从投资印度官方网站可以看到，印度这几年从国家的 ISRO 到民间公司帮各国发射卫星的数量达到424颗，收益近3亿美金。印度人力成本比起其他国家来得低，除了可以主打比 NASA 物美价廉，印度发射地点更靠近赤道，射程距离短，占尽优势。短短4年就从0增加到190家私人公司，抢着替客户接单发射低轨卫星。火箭公司 Skyroot 也把商用列为目标收益。
We are planning to have multiple launches, and in our launch portfolio, we want to launch a rocket every 15 days.
15 days.
So initially, it will take some time to reach that, but we will be very strongly trying to build that launch cadence.
Now, you can
do both side. I mean,
Manufacturing on one side and also integration and launch on one side. Both of them will be going on parallelly.
印度的新创能量不只造出了升空的火箭，当你有理论却没钱没资源可以验证时，来到政府出资的实验室 T-Works 试试看。舷窗 CNC 正在金割的是低轨卫星当中的重要零件，透过震动跟高温测试，拿在手上意外轻得很。
These are parts made here at T-Works. These are parts of a 1U CubeSat. So all these parts went through a lot of iterations, and our machinists made these parts in-house with aluminium. This is made using the final material, aluminium 6061, because the cost of taking any weight into space is the most expensive part of launching a satellite. That's why we try to reduce the weight while still keeping the functionality intact.
像是 CNC 自动机器，甚至到进阶版的 3D 列印，每一样机器千万起跳的昂贵，不是人人买得起。但在这个工作坊开放给每个理论家来试试看。像这个能够抵御阳光射线的防护罩，正是产自这里。
So this is going to be India's first AI lab in space, where our plan is to enable researchers and enthusiasts who want to run space experiments, but they have to build a CubeSat, they have to launch a CubeSat and then prove their ideas in space. With our infrastructure, they can just upload a code and run their experiments in space and download the data, right? So it makes it extremely fast in space to get access to other machineries for the thermovac, for the vibration test, shock test. Yeah, we did it at the in-space facility. So India as an ecosystem, if you look at, is becoming easier to do a space startup. Like our policy came out when 2021 we had a space policy. Now if you look at we have different government bodies to make it easier to get access to ISRO.
当世界惊讶于印度为何一个眨眼就成为 CP 值最高的太空大国，根本原因是政府从基层开始广纳贤才，从孵化到育成，一条龙式给机会、给资本、给发财的可能，鼓励所有印度勇者们飞向宇宙浩瀚无垠。